Good morning students, this is Naresh Shrivastava, your biology teacher. Today we will talk about the gynoecium, megasporangia and megasporogenesis. Gynoecium is the female part of flower and its unit is called as pistil or carpel. On the basis of number of carpels, gynoecium are of two types. Number 1, monocarpellary, and second, multicarpellary. The monocarpellary gynoecium means the gynoecium is consist of single carpel or pistil. The multicarpellary gynoecium means the gynoecium is consist of more than one carpel or pistil. Again, it is of two types, the apocarpus and syncarpus. Apocarpus means when the carpels remain free and the syncarpus means when all the carpels remain attached to each other. As you can see, the syncarpus ovary of papaver, all the carpels remain attached, and the apocarpus ovary of michelia, you can see here all the carpels are free. A typical carpel is a flask-shaped structure. It is consist of three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. The lower swollen base-like structure is called ovary, and a narrow neck-like structure is called style. A knob-like structure present on style is called stigma. Inside the ovary, there is present ovarian chamber called locule. Inside the locule, there are found megasporangia, also called as ovule, remain attached through the ovarian wall through the placenta. So what is placenta? Placenta is the structure through which the megasporangia or ovule remain attached with the ovarian wall. The megasporangium or ovule is the small structure remain attached with the wall of ovary through the placenta by means of a stalk called funicle. The funicle attached with the body of ovule at a region called hilum. The ovule is covered by one or two protective envelopes called integuments. Integuments encircle the nucellus. At one end of the integument there is present micropyle. At the opposite of micropyle there is present the basal part of ovule called chalaza. The cells of nucellus has abundant reserve food material. The cells of nucellus develop the embryo sac, which is also known as female gametophyte. Here the female gametophyte is known as embryo sac. An ovule generally has a single embryo sac formed from a megaspore. आइए देखते हैं हाउ टू मेक ओव्यूल. The megasporogenesis. The formation of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell is called as megasporogenesis. In this process, one of the cell of nucleus near the micropyle in the ovule develops or differentiate into megaspore mother cell containing dense cytoplasm and a prominent nucleus. The megaspore mother cell undergoes meiosis, so it develops 4 haploid daughter cells. Out of the 4, 3 daughter cells get degenerate and 1 remain functional. This type of megaspore development is called as monosporic development, in which out of 4 cells, 3 get degenerate and 1 remain functional. In the functional megaspore mother cell, the free nuclear division occurs so that their nucleus divide into 2 and each nucleus migrate towards the opposite pole. Again the free nuclear division occurs so that the each nucleus divide into 2. By the further divisions, 4 nucleus develops at each pole. After the 8 nucleated stage, cell walls are let down, leading to the organization of the typical female gametophyte of embryo sac. Now, the movement of nucleus start from the poles. One nucleus from each pole moves towards the center. Then the wall formation starts around the nucleuses, so that there are three cells are present on each pole and a single cell is present in the center containing 2 nucleus called polar nuclei, and the cell is called as central cell. The 3 cells on the chelazal end are called antipodal cells, and the cells are present on micropylar region are called as egg apparatus, in which 2 of the cell is called as synergid and 1 of the cell is called egg cell. The synergid cell has filiform apparatus which facilitate the entry of pollen tube during pollen tube formation of fertilization. In the center of the embryo sac, you can see there is present a single cell called central cell having 2 nuclei named as polar nuclei. This stage is also known as 7-celled 8 nucleated stage. I think you have got the concept. कल फिर मिलेंगे नए टॉपिक के साथ. थैंक यू.